Alright, we're starting our descent off the mountain here with the custom mini bikes with no brakes. Shout out on the YouTube channel, Central Coast Media. Give out a like and follow if you like this video. We try and do stuff like this all the time. Unfortunately, we've just been so busy with trying to make money from this COVID bullshit that's going on. So anything, like, subscribe, share, and because right now I do this stuff for free all day. I don't get paid for any of this, so please, it'd help if you check out my stuff, check out the other videos. Central Coast Media, 805 area, Santa Barbara, and the surrounding Ventura County and San Luis Obispo County. We're trying to do adventures at all the places. Alright, DC brakes on the mini bike. Woo. Gotta make sure we turn the gas off. Yep, gas is off. Alright, here we go. Whew. Those guys are already way ahead of me. You. Oh. Here we go. Yum, 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 yum. No stopping required, baby. Oh, yee. Yum, 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 yum. I think my buddy Jose right here in front of me, he's from Colombia, and I think he's sporting some Under Armour boots. He's got himself some Under Armour brakes today. The ski boots, baby. Rolling. You coming in hot. Coming in hot. He should go in front. You got brakes. Go, go, go. Alright, the treacherous rock zone right here. Yum, 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 yum. Woo! Baby, let's do it! Yum! Holy smokes! Almost lost my ankle there. The DC brakes almost broke. We're headed down, no brakes. Trying to save them DC shoes. No brakes! Whoa! Hell yeah! That's it. Yum, yum. Ooh, shit. Big rocks, big rocks. Big ass rocks. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yum. All those rocks right there would have killed us. Jose, be careful. Cuidado. Yum. Woo. Cuidado, cuidado! Make sure he made it, no crashes today. Don't have to go back when you see him come around the corner. Yes! Yay! Alright, baby. Hopefully there's no other dirt bikes here. Yum, 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 yum! You gotta make sure they hear us. I ain't got no horn. Yum, 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 yum. Whoop, zoom. Oh, yeah. No brakes. Baby, watch out for that big ass rock. Oh, man, this, I'll tell you, this isn't safe. Don't try this shit at home. Don't try this shit anywhere. Because this is for professional shit only. I'm telling you, you could get seriously hurt doing this no brake shit. Woo! Let's get it, boy! Yum yum! Alright, we're on our descent down. That's all sketch from here. Yep, yep. Telling you, I mean, some people might comment and not believe that I have brakes or whatever, and there's some kind of other thing, but I'm telling you, I'll show another part of this in a little bit. I literally have no brakes. Big ass rock. Holy shit. There goes the chain. Oh shit. Chain's loose. Dangling. Can't even stop if I wanted to. Oh well, these brakes are working. DC, thank you. Woo. Oh, big rock, sharp rock. Oh shit. All right, the chain ain't gonna magically put itself back on. So I'm gonna have to stop somewhere. Okay. Brakes. Turn this off. Turn this off. Alright. You gotta pull this out. Watch your arm here for sure. Don't want to catch anything in the exhaust here. And go like that. Get her lined up. Jose's good. He's coming behind me. Alright. Gotta start it up. We're good. We're good. Oh man, can't see shit, my glasses are all fogged up. Woo! We made it down the gnarly part. Now the only thing we gotta worry about is other riders coming along, going fast. Hit it right here. Get it. Get it. Get it. Wheelie action right there. Just did us some berm. Oh man, that berm's gnar. Yum yum. That berm's all tore up too. Jose. Don't see him. There he is. Alright. Alright, he's coming. Good, we're good. Got this. Well, Juan's up here ahead. He must have been gone. Ghosted us in the Honda CR80. Yum, yum. Slow down so I can kind of be in the middle here. When you're rolling in groups of people riding with you, it's definitely a good thing to stay somewhat together so that if someone goes off the trail or something happens and their bike doesn't run right, that they're not left behind, and then you gotta ride miles back to go get them. Right now we gotta hit this little bank though. Nya, nya, nya. Oh, you know it, baby. We're rolling all day. Woo! I gotta stop. Wait for Jose for a second. Yeah, that's a cool spot. There he comes. Okay. Check. 1, 2.